Oh yeah, it's gotta be here. Hey, how's it going? Good.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you, hon?
Good. How are you?
Good.
Packing machine. Grab that.
So I got pretty excited when I turned around and saw these 3 Pokemon tins right here until I picked them up and I realized they were completely empty. I'll open this one up for you guys and show you it was just trash on the inside, just miscellaneous pieces of paper. So I left those behind. Maybe some vintage ones have some value. I'm not so sure. I left them anyways. Now you'll notice I take a look at these puzzles as well. We have Batman, Spider-Man, Scooby-Doo I think, but I don't really like to mess with old used puzzles. I hate counting the pieces. Let's keep looking around, see what we could find.
Oh wow. That's a really cool Mickey mug. $5. Maybe.
Now here's another thing I really like to sell online. We have cassettes for 50 cents, CDs for $1. I love selling media, whether it be on eBay or Amazon. I sell a lot of it, so I kind of know what to look for. I'm glancing over any of these titles here, seeing if anything stands out, and sadly, nothing seemed that great. I'm sure I could have bundled all this together and gotten it for pretty cheap, but I decided to leave it behind, see what else we could find.
Goosebumps. That's cool. What else do we got? There's some cool little signs down here. There's gold root beer. Gone with the Wind, $4. Originally 14. Oh, it's from Disney. Huh. It's kind of cool. For $4, maybe. Also,
So I thought these 2 little ghosts were cool. I thought they were glass, turns out they're plastic, made in China things, so I left them behind.
what's up here? Star Wars sleeping bag. WWE sleeping bag. Batman. $3 each.
Now at only $3 each, I thought these were pretty cool. They're semi-vintage, I think. 2001, 2003, somewhere around there. At $3 each, they usually only sell in the $20 to $30 range, but, I think I'm going to go back and grab those. They are pretty cool.
Want me to make a pile?
Oh, that would be great. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Here we go, I found more media underneath the table here, a big box of DVDs, all priced at $1 each, so I'm just glancing over them, seeing if there's anything I can make out that seems like it could be worth something, and the first thing I find does end up being worth something, this Wrong Turn 3-pack. Pretty sweet, 3-pack of DVDs, sells pretty well over on Amazon. What else do we have in here? I found a sealed 4-pack of movies, those are always pretty good. Sealed Green Mile, that's a pretty common movie, I put that one back. And I do end up grabbing a couple more in here, definitely some cool finds.
It's not. Oh, it's a kitty. Hi, kitty.
My neighbor came telling me I was talking the other day about
So this Xbox 360 was the main thing I saw in their Facebook Marketplace ad. I think they were asking $30 for it, and it had a little bit of gunk mixed in there. I didn't really feel like cleaning it. $30 isn't a bad deal, honestly. You could definitely make some money selling that online, but I decided to leave it behind for someone else. It's no big deal. Taking a quick look at the VHS tapes here, and look at this, Bedazzled. I love that movie.
I love this movie. I'll snag that. Hi, got a few more things I want to add. Awesome, thank you. Let's take a look at these. Oh, that's so cool. For $3. It's just too neat. Let's see, in the WWE. I think it's just a blanket. Yeah. I hope it's double-sided. Who's on it? Well, that's kind of cool. 2007. I get these two also.
Okay. There's VHS.
Oh, cool.
The whole 2 bins for $10.
2 bins?
2 whole bins.
Okay, let me see.
You probably resell those like 100.
Right?
A lot of them are the
Yeah.
collectible.
Oh, what's underneath here? I mean, to be honest, I don't really look for Disney stuff, but
I don't know what's down below there.
Barney. For $10, that's a fun gamble. I'll do it.
Awesome.
Cool.
Hear that, Mom? Both pins.
Why not? You're
I'll
welcome.
help you carry them to the car.
Oh man, that'd be great. Thank you. All right, I think. Records.
Yeah, I can, if you want to see. Hey, Michael,
Oh, Barney.
could you hook this up for this lady and because it's not turning on because it's not charged.
Dead.
Just,
I'm sorry. Oh no, you're fine. All right, I'll add these two. What's my total
okay,
at?
this was at, you were at 27.
27, 20, 29, 30, 32? That works. Cool.
Actually 31.
31?
Yeah.
Okay.
I need to get some.
I'm sorry.
Sorry.
Um,
I'll help you in a second, boy.
oh yeah, no worries. Thank you. Oh, that'd be awesome. Thank you. Yeah, 31.
Perfect. Thank
Awesome.
you.
Cool. First tag sale of the year. I'm happy.
Really?
Yeah.
Did you see it on Marketplace?
I did see it on Marketplace. This morning, I rolled out of bed, I typed in tag sale, and your guys' has popped up, so.
Okay.
I didn't look out here.
Oh, you want to go look out there first?
I'm looking real quick. I don't think I see anything I need, so.
Come on.
We're good. I'll take a quick look.
Okay.
Let's see.
No.
I'm all set.
No? Okay. Sounds good.
All right.
You take a bin, Nick will take a bin, and I'll take this stuff.
Okay, cool.
You want me to, okay, let me take that.
Oh. Sound like glass. That's really heavy. Sure you got it?
I got it.
All right, cool.
Nope. Oh, sorry. Dave. Okay.
I just need something else.
Yeah. I'm getting out of the way.
I know. I was wondering.
Oh, not bedazzled.
Here, we'll put it in this one. There's more. Oh, okay. Got it. Let me get out of the way.
Jeez. Got a river coming through here.
Trunk probably.
Yeah, I'll get the trunk. I was wondering where all that water was coming from. Take a look at this. There's a fire hydrant. Just dumping water. Somebody opened it. Is that normal? I see the lid right next to it. Okay, whatever. Let's get out of here. All right, guys, we are back home. We filled the back of the Subaru. There's also kitty litter back here, but we got a bunch of cool things. I didn't look anything up. Usually when I go to sales, I really don't like to look things up, especially since it was an indoor sale, which the odds of finding those are pretty slim. I don't think I've ever been to a solely indoor tag sale before. We got a couple cool sleeping bags and blankets here. We got 2 huge bins of VHS tapes, $10. I couldn't leave them for 10 bucks. I figured there's got to be value in here. None of them are sealed or anything like that. Bedazzled I got for myself. Let's take a look in the back seat here. We got that whole other bin, big and hairy. Never heard of that before. Interesting. There's a couple burned ones in here. Was that Blue's Clues? Barney can actually do pretty well. Keep an eye out for Barney VHS tapes. Star Wars, I mean, I doubt these are those first printings. They're not sealed anyways, so they're not really going to be worth much. And then it seems like, what was that? Transformers Beast Wars. That's kind of cool. I really don't know what's in here. You know what? I think I'm going to pull out all the VHS tapes and we're going to set them up and see all the titles. I think that'll be fun. So as you guys can see, I just started pulling everything out. It's actually just starting to rain right now, so I'm gonna have to put everything away. But we can take a quick look. We got all these Disney animated movies right here. We got some Scooby-Doo, Land Before Time. These are all the Power Rangers so far. Now there's still more in here, as you guys can see. More Land Before Time. Pokemon the movie, that's sweet. What else? More Land Before Time, more Power Rangers. I didn't see everything that's in here. Let's take a quick look. What else do we got? Casper, more Power, and lots of Power Rangers. All the Star Wars movies, I believe. Well, the original 3, so that's cool. What else? More Scooby-Doo. So that's pretty nice. Over here, we got something I've never heard of. Beetleborgs? Maybe I've heard of it. I don't know. Saban's Beetleborgs, Curse of the Shadowborg. This is pretty cool. Kind of looks like Power Rangers, but not really. A couple other cool things here. This is a different Hercules that I've never seen before. Really weird. And then this box we haven't gone through. I believe this is more, I really don't know what's in here. Santa Claus, that one's sealed. What else is in here? Really weird animals. Miss Doubtfire. I see some more Power Rangers down in there. Some Looney Tunes. Got some Stephen King. I know some of the Barney stuff can do well, so that's pretty cool. Felix the Cat. But still, for 10 bucks for all of these, there's no way I don't make money, so that's really cool. And then I'll show you guys everything I actually picked up. Now, I did leave some stuff there because I wasn't gonna look stuff up, and first sale of the year, you know, my eyes were wandering like crazy. Let's see, $3 for this Pac-Man plug and play. These things can do awesomely. I mean, 3 bucks, I turned it on, it worked, so that's cool. $2, well, actually, let's grab this first. This was $3, Lord of the Rings. It's an audio CD book. I don't know if it's worth anything. I'll pop the price up for you guys to see. I could have just lost 3 bucks on this. I'm not sure. Few DVDs. Didn't look these up either, but I figured you can't go wrong. Wrong Turn 3-pack. It's 3 movies in 1. We got a sealed 4 movies in 1 right here, and a sealed Left Behind. I remember watching Left Behind when I was younger. That movie was crazy. We got this bank. I don't know if I caught the interaction with the lady selling it, but this was her bank, and she said she had it in the 70s. There's still money in here. So we're going to pop this open, see how much money's in there. I paid 2 bucks for it. And then I got all these Goosebumps books. This was $3 as well. Well, there's a 5 and a 3 on it. I think I paid 5 for this. So not bad for all these Goosebump books. Some of these can go for good money, especially if you have a complete set. So hopefully this is the complete set, and we can make some money on Amazon with that. And then of course the two huge blankets here. One's a Star Wars sleeping bag, one's a Batman blanket. Pretty awesome things. Don't know what they're worth, but I figured at $3 each, couldn't go wrong. And I left some cool stuff behind. I was still happy with what I got though. Those VHS are going to be a job to go through. Let's pop this guy open, see what's inside. All right, I got the bottom off of it. There's some stuff in here. Oh, quarters, nice. Oh, 3 quarters. Sweet. And a dead bug. So, okay, he's gone. Let's see, we have 1974, 1990, 1990, 87. Okay, so cool, 3 quarters inside of here. So instead of paying $2, I paid $1.25. Don't think I could go wrong for that. So super happy about that score. Super happy about everything. I tried to look him up online, cannot find him anywhere. If anybody has any ideas, let me know down below, of course. If you guys enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below if you have any questions at all. Subscribe if you haven't already. This is Thrift School signing out. See ya.